Doing a little drivey drive on the van. Oh, what's that? They're going too slow? Freaking race car. Holy jeez. What? It was a Honda. Okay. Dang. So this thing has been loved on. Put about 7 months of work into this thing just to get her back to beautiful again. Everything in here works. AC, heated seats, great radio. The only thing that does not work in this van is the rear vent windows. They need to be taken apart, greased, and put back together is what best I can tell. Other than that, service the transmission, meaning I flushed all of the fluid out. I put a new spin-on filter for the transmission. I cleaned it extensively from the inside to the outside to the engine bay. There's no rust. All the ball joints are tight. Steering is tight. It's got all rubber mats. Let's see if there's anything else I can tell you about this thing. Oh, I fixed the window switches. They're fixed. And a window regulator on that side. Window goes up and down now. What else did I do? And then just little piddly stuff. So yeah, I hope you like it.